Yeah? Well, it's because it's your car. You're being recorded, by the way.
And I'm pretty sure I did it right off the bat. You need to record that?
You've already been recorded. You're.
Should I turn that on?
I don't care. Go ahead. I'm done.
On the right side.
My best feature is having my arm in the way. Or my bloody knuckle. That's always attractive. Can see it? My hand in the way. I'll do the other one with the press. Such a tight fit, you might not need to keen it around. Yeah.
I don't think it's going out. I don't think it's coming out of there.
There's one.
Boom!